Once you run a Neapod lesson with your students, you will automatically get a report back in a section called Reports, and you will see how the students performed or what they did on the interactive slides that you might have included in your Neapod. So in order to view the report, what you're going to do is log into your neapod.com account, and then on the left-hand side, you're going to look for the option that says Reports. And reports is going to include the results of any Neapod that you have run at any time throughout the course of your use with this program, and it will go back as far as you have the account, with the most recently run Neapod lesson at the top. Now this goes for whether you actually run a Neapod lesson as a whole class, with everybody in class all at the same time, or if you use the student paced option once the student has completed the Neapod and done all the interactive activities and submitted it, you will get all of their responses on your end in reports. So we're in the report section now, and let's just say, for example, I want to see the results of this particular session. So you can see here I've actually run this Neapod a number of times with different classes and with different people. So if you do create a Neapod and you want to use it year to year, you can, and when you generate a link for the students to access it with, it's going to be different than the one that you originally used, so you will get a different report for it. So let's say, for example, I click on this particular session. You're going to get a summary as to student participation, whether how many of them actually answered each one of these questions, how many of them were skipped. And then when you go down to the bottom, you will also get a participation here as well. So in terms of grading, the only thing they're really going to get a grade on is like a quiz question, which I don't. Obviously, nobody answered this here, but everybody participated in the poll, everybody participated in the open-ended, everybody participated in the draw it, and the matching pairs. So if you want to get down to more specifics as to what everybody did, you can click on each one of the interactive activities that is in your Neapod lesson, and you can see exactly how the students answer. And sometimes this can be, if you're doing this in class, kind of a conversational piece to see what everybody's opinion was. So in a poll, it shows you this information. Open-ended, you'll be able to view everybody's answers over here. Draw it, you will be able to see any of the draw it activities that you did. You will be able to see exactly what that person drew, and you will be able to click on it and view it a little bit more close up. Matching pairs, how many matches they made, how many tries, whether they completed it or not. Collaborate. So you get an idea of how everybody did on this particular. If you want to get a more detailed view of how everybody did, if you go over to downloads, you can view a PDF version of this entire Neapod lesson, and you can also share this report as well if you want to share this with somebody. So the reports will live in here, again, forever as long as you have it, and this way you'll be able to see exactly how your students are participating in your particular Neapod.